3, 2, 1.
Indian ink comes from what country? The answer is C, China. Investigations were performed to test several methods of keeping petals from falling off flowers that had been cut. Which is the most likely reason for this investigation? The answer is A, to test a hypothesis. What is the capital letter of HTML? The answer is A, H. What two systems are the lungs part of? The answer is B, respiratory and excretory. What color does potassium usually appear when exposed to air? The answer is B, green. What cooks food quickly over an open flame? The answer is D, waffle iron. Which member of the Rat Patrol was a ladies' man? The answer is C, Hitch. What is the economic system that rejects central planning and instead relies on free markets, private property, and profit as motives for economic activity? The answer is D, capitalism. What vegetable is commonly used in the preparation of ratatouille? The answer is A, eggplant. In what 2005 movie did Will Ferrell play a rocker who wore eyeliner? The answer is C, Winter Passing. What is the term for a country that does not allow foreign ownership of companies within its borders? The answer is B, autarky. In the Seinfeld episode where Kramer is mistaken as mentally challenged, he is invited to sit at the head table at a charity benefit. What led to this error being maintained at the benefit? The answer is D, punched in the mouth by Jimmy. A box walks into a bar, it orders a drink and the bartender says, "I didn't know you could talk." What is inside the box? The answer is A, parrot. Which furniture typically consists of two identical pieces? The answer is D, desk and chair set. What is the main ingredient in baking powder? The answer is C, salt. What is the national dish of Scotland? The answer is B, shepherd's pie. Which ski jumper was badly injured in a training session in 2002, but recovered in a month to win 2 gold medals at the Salt Lake City Olympics? The answer is C, Simon Amman. What tool do plumbers often use? The answer is A, pliers. Who did Warrior's character Fireheart save in The Fire? The answer is C, Bramblecit. Which chemical has the atomic number 1? The answer is C, hydrogen. What is used to stick papers together? The answer is A, stapler. What ear structure has 3 fluid-filled ducts, including the organ of Corti, where sound waves and air go to vibration? The answer is D, cochlea. What process is involved in the formation of a waterfall when a stream flows from an area of harder to softer rock? The answer is C, erosion. What is the name of the essential oil made from the blossom of the bitter orange? The answer is B, neroli. What vegetable has a bulbous root that can be mashed or roasted? The answer is C, leek. What is the name of Kim's partner who dies in the series Third Watch? The answer is D, Bobby. Which animal is known to have many learned behaviors? The answer is A, sea park dolphins. Which vegetable is known as the king of vegetables? The answer is B, cauliflower. What is the result of 5/6 divided by 7/9? The answer is B, 2, 0.4285714286. What specific part of the brain regulates the endocrine system? The answer is D, hypothalamus. What is the term for the complete set of genes and alleles within a population? The answer is C, the gene pool. What cat breed, also called the greyhound of the cats, has no hair except for down? The answer is C, Cornish Rex. Which item does a volleyball player use to hit the ball? The answer is A, net. Who wrote the Critique of Pure Reason? The answer is B, Immanuel Kant. Capital of Russia is? The answer is B, Moscow. What always comes at the end, but never begins? The answer is D, surgery. What food has the highest water content? The answer is A, watermelon. What often relies on cooperation between the motor and autonomic nervous systems? The answer is C, homeostasis. Ponds and lakes are examples of what kind of biome? The answer is C, standing freshwater biome. What is the slowest moving object in our solar system? The answer is D, Pluto. What constellation lies between Orion and Taurus? The answer is B, Cassiopeia. Who invented the ballpoint pen? The answer is B, Joseph Laszlo Biro. What is the smallest portion of a crystal lattice? The answer is B, unit cell. What equipment helps swimmers stay afloat? The answer is B, buoy. Which fruit contains the most vitamin C? The answer is C, kiwi. Which constellation contains the most stars? The answer is B, Ursa Major. If a plant shows up in a new place, what might have happened? The answer is D, its cased embryo have been dispersed. What is a relationship between organisms that strive for the same resources in the same place? The answer is B, competition. Hagfishes have a skull made of what? The answer is C, cartilage. What is the smallest unit of data in computing?